I always make the joke, IBM is not a startup. As we all know, it's a very big global company, but it's been great. So to be recognized for that in the Collaborator category was really impactful for us.
Any advice for anyone who's going to be embarking on a very similar journey?
It's not something that happens overnight. It's incredibly important to have a tremendous amount of change management also. We're not only having new technology be put into our business, but we like to think of the Adobe transformation as not a technology transformation, but a business transformation. So to make sure that we're empowering our teams, we're bringing them along the way so they really understand the impact of the capabilities and they can really start to bring them to life in the experiences that we have. We're really looking at how do we deliver experiences that are more omni-channel, more relevant as fast as we possibly can, and in addition, still putting on that business lens and thinking about productivity. Right? So how can we start to see additional cost savings and additional process gains back to the business so we make sure that we're putting our best foot forward, not just in how we deliver to our clients and our prospects, but as an organization, right, as an enterprise, making sure that we're having our people focus on what matters most. We know that we have more relevant experiences. We know we're getting to market faster. We know that our omni-channel experiences are much more consistent. So for us, the capabilities, the proof is in the pudding.
What is one thing that's not on your LinkedIn profile that helps you at work every day?
I'm an avid knitter.
What?
I like to spend my free time knitting as much as possible, which for me is a stress reliever. So I think it kind of clears my mind, allows me to be more creative and impactful during the day. It's my outlet, I'll say. So I make a lot of cardigans, I make a lot of blankets, so if anyone's interested.
There's a metaphor there. Wait a minute, there's a metaphor here. You're turning loose threads into something beautiful. You're bringing things together. I mean, that's what the Collaborator is all about.
It's a day-by-day journey.